Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to set up Stripe payments on your Shopify store. As you can see, I'm currently on my Shopify store, and to enable Stripe payments, you need to go to the Online Store section. Then, scroll down until you find Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options, and you want to click on the Payments option. This will take you to all the payment options available on the Shopify platform, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, Amazon Pay, and others. You will also see an option, Choose a Provider, click on it. You want to choose a third-party provider, but when you search for Stripe, it says Unavailable in your country. I'll show you how to fix this issue. Go back to Settings and then click on General. Once you're in the General settings, click on the Edit button under Billing Address. Now I'll change my country to France. So, type in France, give all the necessary information and save the changes. Don't worry about this because we're going to change it back shortly. After saving, go back to the Settings menu and select Payments. Then, choose the third-party provider option again. Now, when you search for Stripe, it will appear as an option. You can select Stripe and set it up from there. Once Stripe is set up, you can go back to your general settings and change your country back to where you actually live. And that's how you set up Stripe payments on your Shopify store. Don't forget to follow along using the link provided in the description below.